What's up, good people? Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, good night, good whatever it is, wherever you are on earth listening to me. It's your boy again this afternoon, David, live from IFX Studio. So, I analyzed this market like 3 weeks ago. This is what I did, and this is USD Japanese yen. So, this is what I did. I analyzed this market, you know and I said some things. If you watch the trend line that I drew and all that, you understand what I'm trying to say. Please, people, before we continue, I really appreciate it if you could like, share, subscribe, click the notification button on my YouTube channel. It will really help. It will really help. It will really support this ministry of this crusade of forex trading and analysis. So here's what I'm about to say. When you take a look at this market, it's doing exactly what I said it should do. You understand? I've drew all this candlesticks since last week. If you watch it, I could show you the picture of the past. I could show you the picture of last week on it. I think I'll be doing a video right now that I'll be showing you the past and the present. You understand how I forecast it in the past, that I forecast this last week that it's going to be like this, and this week this is the result. Because what I've been doing before is I'm just doing the what's it called, I'm just doing the video showing you guys a report. I'll also be adding the picture of the result as well. So here we go today. When you take a look at this market, it's really what makes me believe that this market will reverse. I said it, that this market will definitely bounce. Great Britain pound will try to fight it. Now Great Britain pound try to fight it, but right now USD is really showing not that promising momentum of reversal, but USD is definitely going to reverse at this very point. You get it? When the market is going to open any moment from now. The market will open latest, let's say this is 2:30. Hey Google, what's the time?
It's 3:24 p.m.
Okay, they said it's 3:24 p.m. So before let's say 3:24 p.m. Let's say 5 o'clock, the market is going to open here on the Eastern time, North America. You understand? So that will be around 11 p.m. or 12 a.m. in London, or I think that should be early in Japan as well. I think Japanese are on like midnight of Monday as we speak right now. But the market is going to open around 5 p.m. You understand? Here on Sunday. This is almost 4 o'clock here. The market is going to open back here. Like it's going to open like in one, let's say in 1.5 hours, the market is going to open. So should the market open, the Japanese yen will still try to prove itself, but the strength, not much strength that the non-farm payroll has, will still try to like drag the market up a little bit. You understand? It will still speak for the market. It will still speak for the market. It might not be too much uptrend like that, but it's an uptrend in market. You get it? So this Japanese yen USD of a thing is an uptrend in market. So I'd like to hear your own view about it, your own opinion. Okay, what really makes me draw this kind of trend line? I believe you guys will want to know. It's not that I just drew it. I know exactly what the market is about to do. You get it? This was why I drew this kind of trend line. And if you could see, I drew this trend line like from I drew this trend line based on some key places. You understand? It's based on some key places. If should you look at it, and apart from the trend line, you have to study the candlestick. You have to know what the candlestick is about to do, because the candlestick speaks some languages. You have to understand these languages. You have to know exactly what the candlestick is trying to say. So now let's check a little bit back and let's see how strong USD could go back. You understand? To me here, USD is going to bounce back, but I don't see USD doing too much. You get it? This is what I see in this place. USD is definitely going to bounce back. USD is definitely going to try to prove itself, but I don't see USD doing much. You get it? So it's possible. Let me just do something, because let me see. Okay, flow. Sorry, people. Okay. So it is possible for USD to reverse somewhere here. You know, it is very very possible for USD to reverse somewhere here. You know, somewhere in this domain. When it's go up, go up, go up, it will hit this point, and it's very very possible for it to reverse at this very point. You get it? So should USD reverse in that very point, what do I see that the market is going to do? You understand? The market is going to try to counterbalance. You know, should USD reverse, it might not be much, but it would be trying to like climb up with struggle. As I'm looking at it, I don't see, you know, I believe USD is going to break through in this place, but it's not a like kind of supersonic breakthrough, boom 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 like that. You get it? This is what I see in this market. This is what I see. You understand? Because the strength is not really there. The strength of speaking is not really there. Just watch what happened on Thursday. You understand? Even at the expense of USD want to gain the ground, it shows some promising momentum from this very point, from this very key. All this candle is speaking a language of a downtrend, and this from here to this place is speaking a language of an uptrend. You get it? But as it is like this, should the market open, because I believe that it was non-farm period that pushed this market to this extent, you know. So should the market open now, it's going to try to like, you know, it's going to try to pull the market back. It's going to try to like pull the market back a little bit. But let me tell you guys one thing. You know, USD is still going to try to prove itself that, hey, I am the one in charge of this market. You understand? But I don't really see the strength for USD so supersonic like that. You get it? I don't really see it. This is what I mean. I just say you should watch. You understand? So please, people, watch and see. You yourself analyze the market and tell me what you see in the market, what you believe it's going to happen in the market. I'll be really happy if I could hear from you guys. You know, like, share, subscribe. You know, let me hear your comments. You know, click the notification button and let's see how the market is going to go. But here is my point. People, please take a look at this market. You know, what really makes USD to like, you know, bust out this very long candlestick was this very candlestick that opened on November 7th. You understand? 2020. You understand? This very candle that have a tie, it shows completely that the market is about to gain the ground. You understand? So this one did not get its momentum fully, but this one seals the market and tell us that there is war within Great Britain pound USD, and it end in the favor of US dollar. You understand? I don't know, I don't remember the day that's on the 7/8. I don't know the day that it is, but this is what the market said. So I would like to hear your own opinion on what this market say, because from everything I could see, based on the candlestick, based on all these things that I see, the market is telling me indirectly that is a downtrend. I mean, sorry, I don't mean a downtrend. That is an uptrend in market. You understand? Sorry, people, but uptrending is not like that. You understand? So just watch. Just watch. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you see there. You know, should we go back a little bit? Should we go back a little bit? You know, you see the things that Japanese yen has done in this place. You know, Japanese yen has really proven some promising things. You understand, which is really some kind of really, you know, some kind of I'm coming. Shit. USD is trying to gain the market. Is trying to gain the market back. Sorry, people. I don't sleep. Do you know that? I don't sleep. I analyze the market. I see what the next move is. This is why maybe I believe this is why I'm feeling somehow daisy. I'm so sorry for and all that. I'm sorry. So let's get down to business. Just like I was saying, you know, please, you just watch and let me know what you think, what you feel about the market, what you believe that it's going to happen. I really, you know, nobody is an island of knowledge. You understand? All of us are still learning, including me. You get it? So I'd like to know what your own opinions or what your take is on this market. Just let me know. Just let me know what you feel that is going to happen, what you see that it's going to happen, what you believe that is going to happen, how you see this market, how you analyze it, what you see, the kind of candlestick that you see that proves to you that this market is a downtrending market. Because to me, it's going to go up and it ain't gonna be much. You understand? It's going to go up, but it's not gonna be much. It's not gonna supersonically go up like that, because USD will still remain the USD that it is. You understand? So I don't really see it doing much, but it's going to go up a little bit. And maximum, please people listen. I said maximum it will go is this very point. You understand? It will go this very point. It will hit this very point, 106.685. You understand? It will hit that very point. And it's going to roll over back. You understand? It's going to roll over back. Whatever makes it to beat this point, then it has become officially an uptrending, solid uptrending market. You understand? So should it break this very point that I called the number now, then it's a solid uptrending market. You understand? You can't really beat that. You understand? So this is one of the things, this is one of the keys of US dollar. You understand? But to me, what I see in this place is that the market is an uptrending market. You understand? So this is what I see in this place. You understand? But the crusade might not move long, but don't let me deceive you. It's an uptrending market. So people, I really love to know what your take is on this market. Please like, share, subscribe, click the notification button. Please, let me repeat myself. Please like, share, subscribe, click the notification button. Let me know what you see about the market. Please, I would like to listen to your comment. I'm open to questions. If you want to write me at david@ifx.com. I really appreciate it. So people, trade safe, trade wise, don't be greedy. God bless us all. See you in my next video. Have a good one.
Be humble. Really, no matter what you have, you can be a very powerful person, a very wealthy person, a very popular person, a very good-looking person. You can be whatever. But you need to be humble. People will love you when you're down to earth, when you are a normal human being like everyone else.